Hello, Jamie Novak here with your bite-sized time-saving tip the next time you have a vacuuming job on hand. You know how sometimes there's that one little stubborn piece of lint or paper that you just can't pick up no matter how many times you pass the vacuum across it? Well, here's a great idea. Simply bend down and pick up that stubborn piece. It's so simple, and yet it's a huge time saver. Then you can resume your vacuuming job and you'll be done in no time. This has been Jamie Novak. You can find even more great ideas at bitesizedliving.com. Happy vacuuming!